Okay, this is how we'll start. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be reading from Ojibwe by Michael Lyons. This is a book of, it's a collection of cartoons by Michael. And so today's Ojibwe language lesson will be the months of the year. The months of the year. And the illustrations are from this book. All right. So let's just jump right in. A bit of Jesus, halfway moon, or January. A bit of Jesus means halfway moon in English. And you can see there's a little half a moon there. It's also known as Gitchimanadu Jesus, Great Spirit Moon. January has two names, a bit of Jesus and Gitchimanadu Jesus, the Great Spirit Moon. In February, we have Namebene Jesus. Namebene is a suckerfish moon, or February. The suckerfish gave their life to the Anishinaabe so we could eat. And then March, we've got Onabunny Jesus, crust on the snow moon. March. Onabunny Jesus. And there's an Ondag saying, BOOZHOO Gajagaints. Hello, cat. Iskagamazagay Jesus, sap boiling moon, or April. Iskagamazagay Jesus. And there's some guys singing on a powwow drum. Yay, gimme one! Yay, it's raining! Zagebaga Jesus, flower budding moon, or May. Zagebaga Jesus. It is the flower budding moon. And then we got June is Ode Emini Jesus, or strawberry moon. June is called Ode Emini Jesus. It is the strawberry moon. And then by July we call it Abita Nibini Jesus, halfway summer moon. July. Abita Nibini Jesus. And we're halfway through the summer in July. And then August is Manuminike Jesus, wild rising moon. And the wolf is saying, Minnow Gija good. It was a good day. Oh, it's a good day for butterflies. Then comes September. What day Bugga Jesus? Leaves changing moon. September. What day Bugga Jesus? Leaves changing moon. September. Leaves are changing. And then the leaves start to fall in Benakwe Jesus. Leaves falling moon. Or October. Benakwe Jesus. Leaves falling moon. October. And then Burr Gisana. Burr, it's cold. Gushkadino Jesus. It is the freezing over moon. Or November. Gushkadino Jesus. Freezing over moon. Brr, that guy's freezing. And then finally December, Manadu Jesus Soons. It is the little spirit moon. Manadu Jesus Soons, little spirit moon. And there's a little spirit saying, boo. And the guy goes, hoa. Ojibwe by Michael Lyons. This is available on Amazon. Just click the link. Nice. Anyway, you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Hawa. Oh, gibberish.